Today, we are sewing an Easter accessory for Mocha the Capybara. This is a felt egg that you can make in just one evening. As a bonus, I will show you 2 decoration options for the egg. If you would like to sew the capybara itself, be sure to watch my separate video. I left the link in the description. I will show the entire process step by step, just follow along. All the pieces have already been cut out using the pattern. Now place the 2 egg pieces together and start sewing them with a blanket stitch. We simply stitch around the edge, joining the pieces together. I use regular sewing thread and always match it to the color of the felt so the seam looks neat. Next comes a calm, meditative stage. Sew around the edge and gradually stuff the toy. When there is a small opening left, fill the egg with stuffing. I like to use a wooden stick, like a chopstick, to carefully distribute the stuffing inside. When the opening becomes very narrow, you can carefully use the tips of scissors to push the stuffing inside. Now attach the egg to Mocha the capybara's paw. If you prefer, you can make it even easier. Glue the egg to the paw using a hot glue gun. For the first decoration option, I prepared small colorful felt circles. Attach them using a hot glue gun. And here comes the most satisfying moment. The egg is finished. Next, I will show you the second decoration option for the Easter egg. This time we will embroider decorative crosses on it. First, mark the places for the crosses with a fabric pin. Then take sewing thread, fold it 4 times, and start embroidering. You can also use embroidery floss here. The embroidery is very simple and easy to repeat. After that, sew the egg and fill it with stuffing exactly the same way as in the previous version. The embroidery could also be done after the egg is completely sewn, but in this version it is more convenient to do it at the very beginning. You will end up with cute little Easter eggs that are perfect for our capybara Mocha. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe. This helps more people discover the video. On my channel, you can find many detailed tutorials on sewing baby mobiles, felt toys, and much more. If you would like to sew the same toy, the pattern is available in my shop. The link is in the description. There are also other tutorials with accessories from Mocha on the channel for different seasons and themes, so be sure to check them out.